There's Chris with his ugly stick. There's Chris's ugly stick.
It may be a little bit on the power.
Yeah. Does it want to go? Yes, it does. What you got in it?
That 14cc say-so.
Oh yeah. Oops.
I think I might need to do some more twiddling on that engine.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
It's a bit pathetic.
Yeah.
I might actually bring it in and land.
Yeah.
Otherwise I'll be flying around at slow stick pace and that's not really good for anybody, is it?
No. Yeah, it definitely needs to tweak that motor, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Or a new or different one in there.
You can hear it quite popping.
Yeah.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Ah, it's nice to hear that timer stop, timer start. It's not really annoying, is it?
Timer stop. Timer start.
Yeah, that needs
A tweak.
a tweak.
Time remaining 7 minutes. Timer stop. Timer start.
Well, at least it's flown. I just need to tweak the engine
Yeah.
now.
Timer stop.
I know it flies well again. So.